AT200 contact boom insertion. Let's introduce the insertion method of the AT200 sensor on the circuit breaker contact arm. Before insertion, check that whether the group number of the sensor on label is same as the group number of receiver. Then turn the sensor. The indicator light of sensor will flash twice. The sensor should be installed on appropriate position of the contact arm. Pull the strip through the snap ring and tighten. Reverse and press the strip into the two snap rings to straighten the sensor. The sensor is installed.